Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ariel Ali'i from the islands of Waikiki. Shut up. So for today's video, I'm going to create a look using the James Charles palette. So come with me and let's proceed to the video. As you can see, I already did my full face, my eyebrows, and primed my lids. And now let's start with the eyes. So for today, I was feeling like I should do a smoky vibe. So yeah, we're gonna create a smoked out look. So for the first color, I'm gonna use Boutique, which is this color, and I'm gonna use the U Spicy number 22 brush to put on my crease. So let's start. Oh shoot, that is very pigmented.
Just spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the sky.
Wasn't expecting it to be that pigmented, but it's okay. I'll just blend it out.
Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shawty, we could go.
We're just swiping it with a windshield wiper technique onto my crease. It's gonna be a smoked out, so it's gonna be okay. I kind of put too much product on it. You can just keep blending it out.
I want nobody but you.
And for the next color, I'll be using this one, which is No Beans. And I'm using the Jaclyn Hill number 33 brush to wipe under my crease. So I'm just gonna put that right under the first color we just did, right there. It looks kind of crazy right now, but I will blend it out after this color. It's gonna be a smoke out look anyway, so it's okay to look messy. You could always blend it out later.
Don't need no stress, got just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
I'm just tapping it in and using the windshield wiper to blend it out. Now I'm going to use the Jaclyn 30 brush just to blend out all the harsh lines. So blend both the colors in together and buff out lines, harsh lines I should say. I've never done a smoky look before, so this is going to be my first time. And I really wanted like maroon look, the maroon look or whatever. We'll see how this comes out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well. It's always a trial for me since I'm new to the makeup world, right?
Yeah.
It's always a trial and error for me. Alright, so to deepen up the look, I'm going to use this color, which is Benny, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill 40 to wipe all over my lid.
Don't need no stress, got just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say there's songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
To further deepen the look, I'm going to use this color, which is Spooky. I'm going to use Spicy number 21 brush to wipe that all over the lid.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but...
Now I'm going to go back to the Jaclyn Hill 30 brush to make sure that everything is blended in and there's no harsh lines. Now to smoke out the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the first color we used, which was the Boutique, and I'm going to put that right under the water lash line.
Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Then I'm gonna take the color Benny, and I'm gonna put that right under.
Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you.
Alright, so for my tear duct and my brow bone, I'm going to use ring light, this color right over here. And I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill number 39. And I'm just going to put that right.
London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde with everybody else.
Alright, so I'm gonna do my lashes and my eyeliner off camera, so I will be right back.
Kick.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you want me to do any colors or have any tips and tricks for me, just comment it down below. I would love that. And if you did like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and turn on your notification bell so you will be updated for the next one. Aloha guys, bye.